Make my own sound of new drum. I don't know how to make it, but hey friends, let's give it a try. We'll see what comes out of these dark materials. So fun.